The 8 best all-inclusive resorts in Mexico, a land of vibrant culture, ancient history, and breathtaking landscapes. While many flock to its bustling cities and renowned beaches, there lies a secret, hidden in plain sight. Scattered along its coastlines are not just the familiar, all-inclusive resorts, but a collection of secluded havens, each with its own unique charm. These hidden gems offer an escape from the ordinary, a chance to experience Mexico's true essence. The allure of all-inclusive resorts is undeniable. The promise of sun-drenched relaxation, endless entertainment, and culinary delights, all within arm's reach. But beyond the well-trodden paths, a world of undiscovered luxury awaits. Imagine pristine beaches, caressed by turquoise waters, where tranquility reigns supreme. Picture yourself indulging in exquisite cuisine, crafted with fresh, local ingredients, a symphony of flavors tantalizing your taste buds. These hidden resorts are not content with simply meeting expectations. They strive to exceed them. From family-friendly paradises with dedicated kids clubs to romantic escapes designed for couples seeking seclusion, there's a hidden gem for every discerning traveler. So, join us as we embark on a journey to uncover these extraordinary destinations, where luxury meets authenticity and adventure awaits around every corner. Let us venture beyond the ordinary and discover the true meaning of paradise, hidden in the heart of Mexico's captivating landscape. Our first stop takes us to the sun-kissed shores of Cancun, where Panama Jack Resorts Cancun awaits. This sprawling haven, nestled on a pristine stretch of white sand beach, is a testament to family fun and relaxation. Here, families can reconnect amidst a vibrant tapestry of activities and entertainment, all designed to create unforgettable memories. The resort's crown jewel is its sprawling beachfront location. Imagine stepping out of your room and onto the soft, powdery sand, the gentle caress of the Caribbean breeze, whispering tales of adventure. The azure waters beckon, inviting you to take a refreshing dip or simply bask in the warm embrace of the sun. For the younger explorers, a world of wonder awaits at the dedicated kids club. Here, they can embark on pirate adventures, engage in arts and crafts, or simply let their imaginations run wild in a safe and supervised environment. Parents, meanwhile, can steal a moment for themselves, relaxing by the poolside or indulging in a rejuvenating treatment at the spa. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the beach, families gather to witness nature's grand spectacle. The sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors, painting the horizon in hues of orange, pink, and gold. A fitting end to a perfect day in paradise. Beyond the beach, Panama Jack Resorts Cancun offers a myriad of activities to keep guests of all ages entertained. Sports enthusiasts can challenge themselves on the tennis courts, perfect their swing at the golf course, or try their hand at various water sports. The resort's animation team provides endless entertainment with daily activities and nightly shows, ensuring there's never a dull moment. For those seeking a taste of local culture, Cancun's vibrant city center is just a stone's throw away. Here, you can explore ancient Mayan ruins, haggle for souvenirs at bustling markets, or simply soak up the lively atmosphere. Back at the resort, culinary delights await at every turn. From casual beachfront dining to elegant restaurants serving international cuisine, there's something to satisfy every palate. As the day draws to a close, families gather once more, this time to share stories and laughter over delicious meals, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Panama Jack Resorts Cancun is a testament to the joys of family travel, where every detail is carefully curated to ensure an unforgettable experience for guests of all ages. It's a place where laughter echoes through the halls, memories are made, and the true meaning of family vacation is redefined. The Fives Azul Beach Resort, Playa del Carmen, a gourmet getaway. Our journey now takes us south along the Riviera Maya, to the stylish haven of the Fives Azul Beach Resort, Playa del Carmen. This luxurious retreat, set against a backdrop of swaying palm trees and azure waters, redefines the all-inclusive experience, catering to discerning travelers seeking a refined escape. Here, gourmet dining and opulent accommodations reign supreme. Step into a world of unparalleled comfort in one of the resort's exquisitely appointed suites. Each suite is a sanctuary of tranquility, boasting spacious living areas, private balconies with breathtaking ocean views, and luxurious amenities designed to pamper and indulge. But the true highlight of the Fives Azul Beach Resort lies in its culinary offerings. Prepare to embark on a gastronomic adventure where world-class chefs transform fresh, local ingredients into culinary masterpieces. From elegant French cuisine to authentic Mexican flavors, each dish is a testament to the resort's commitment to culinary excellence. Imagine savoring freshly caught seafood, grilled to perfection and seasoned with aromatic herbs, as the sun sets over the Caribbean Sea. Or perhaps you'd prefer to indulge in a romantic, candlelit dinner, with each course expertly paired with fine wines from the resort's extensive cellar. The Fives Azul Beach Resort is a haven for those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. The resort's world-class spa offers a sanctuary for the senses, where expert therapists provide a range of treatments designed to soothe the body and mind. Imagine surrendering to the healing touch of a skilled masseuse, as fragrant oils transport you to a state of pure bliss. Or perhaps you'd prefer to revitalize your body with a traditional Mayan temazcal ceremony, a purifying ritual that has been practiced for centuries. Beyond the resort's luxurious confines, the vibrant town of Playa del Carmen awaits. Explore its charming cobblestone streets, lined with boutiques, art galleries, and cafes. Discover hidden cenotes, ancient Mayan sinkholes, filled with crystal-clear water, perfect for a refreshing swim. As the stars begin to twinkle above the Caribbean Sea, retreat to the resort's rooftop bar. Sip on expertly crafted cocktails as you soak up panoramic views of the coastline, the gentle sea breeze carrying the sounds of laughter and music from below. The Fives Azul Beach Resort is a testament to the art of refined living, where every detail is carefully considered to create an unforgettable experience for the discerning traveler. Marquis Los Cabos, an adult oasis. And now, we journey to the southern tip of the Baja Peninsula, to a haven of tranquility, known as Marquis Los Cabos. Here, amidst the rugged desert landscape and the crashing waves of the Pacific Ocean, lies an adults-only paradise, catering to those seeking respite from the clamor of everyday life. Marquis Los Cabos is a sanctuary for couples, a place where romance blossoms under the warm Mexican sun. The resort's design philosophy embraces the natural beauty of its surroundings, with cascading infinity pools seemingly merging with the azure horizon. The gentle sound of the ocean breeze whispering through the palm trees creates an atmosphere of unparalleled serenity. From the moment you step foot on the property, you are greeted with a sense of calm and sophistication. The architecture, inspired by the region's colonial past, blends seamlessly with the natural environment. Every detail, from the meticulously manicured gardens to the elegant furnishings, exudes a sense of understated luxury. Days at Marquis Los Cabos are best spent indulging in luxurious amenities. Unwind by sparkling pools with breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean. Sip on handcrafted cocktails at the swim-up bar, or retreat to your private cabana for uninterrupted relaxation. For adventure, explore the rugged coastline by kayak, or discover vibrant marine life snorkeling. Indulge in world-class dining at one of the 7 restaurants, savoring fresh seafood as you watch the sunset. Retreat to your luxurious suite, a sanctuary of comfort and elegance. Drift off to sleep to the soothing sounds of the ocean. Our journey now takes us north, along the Yucatan Peninsula's pristine coastline, to a resort that seamlessly blends opulence with ecological responsibility. Welcome to Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres Resort and Spa, a haven where luxury and sustainability go hand in hand. Nestled on a secluded stretch of white sand beach, Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres is a testament to the power of innovative design. The resort's striking architecture, with its flowing lines and organic shapes, echoes the natural beauty of its surroundings. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by the feeling of being at one with nature. The resort's commitment to sustainability is evident in every aspect of its operation. Innovative technologies, such as solar panels and rainwater harvesting systems, work tirelessly to minimize its environmental impact. Lush gardens, teeming with native flora, provide a sanctuary for local wildlife, while the resort's dedicated team works tirelessly to protect the fragile ecosystem that surrounds it. At the heart of Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres lies its crown jewel, the Zentropia Palladium Spa and Wellness Center. This oasis offers a holistic approach to well-being, with treatments to rejuvenate body and soul. Indulge in ancient Mayan healing techniques, or relax in the serene hydrotherapy circuit. Beyond the spa, adventure awaits. Embark on a culinary journey at one of the resort's 10 restaurants, each offering flavors from around the globe. Take a dip in the sparkling pools or unwind on the pristine beach, where the Caribbean Sea beckons. For those seeking more, the resort offers a plethora of activities. Explore the mangrove forests by kayak or play tennis on floodlit courts. Families will love the kids' club, complete with a water park. As the sun sets, witness a breathtaking Caribbean sunset. Sip cocktails by the pool or stroll along the beach. Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres promises an unforgettable escape for discerning travelers. Our journey now takes us to the heart of Cancun's bustling hotel zone, where amidst the towering resorts and vibrant nightlife lies a sanctuary of tranquility inspired by the ancient Mayan civilization. Welcome to Paradisus Cancun, a resort that seamlessly blends modern luxury with the rich cultural heritage of Mexico. As you approach Paradisus Cancun, you'll be immediately struck by its unique architectural design. The resort's pyramid-shaped buildings, adorned with intricate carvings and cascading waterfalls, pay homage to the magnificent temples of the ancient Maya. These impressive structures, surrounded by lush tropical gardens, create an atmosphere of awe and wonder. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a world of understated elegance. The resort's interiors are a harmonious blend of contemporary design and traditional Mexican craftsmanship. Natural materials, such as wood, stone, and marble, create a sense of warmth and sophistication, while vibrant splashes of color, inspired by the region's rich textile tradition, add a touch of playful energy. Paradisus Cancun is a sanctuary within a sanctuary. While the bustling city of Cancun lies just beyond its borders, the resort feels a world away. Step onto your private balcony and breathe in the fresh ocean air, scented with the sweet fragrance of tropical flowers. The gentle sound of waves crashing on the shore creates a soothing soundtrack for your stay. The resort's lush gardens are a testament to the biodiversity of the Yucatan Peninsula. Wander along winding pathways, shaded by towering palm trees and vibrant bougainvillea. Discover hidden fountains and tranquil reflecting pools, home to delicate water lilies and colorful koi fish. Paradisus Cancun understands that true luxury lies in choice. Spend your days lounging by one of the resort's 4 lagoon-style pools, each offering a unique ambiance. Indulge in a pampering treatment at the world-class YHI Spa, where ancient healing traditions meet modern wellness techniques. Or, for the ultimate in relaxation, retreat to your private balcony and soak in the breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the resort, Paradisus Cancun transforms into a culinary destination. Choose from a variety of dining experiences, each showcasing the diverse flavors of Mexico and beyond. Enjoy fresh seafood as you watch the sunset over the ocean, or savor authentic Yucatecan cuisine under a canopy of stars. And now, we journey to the sun-drenched shores of Los Cabos, where the desert meets the sea in a dramatic clash of nature's elements. Nestled amidst swaying palms and azure waters lies the Royal Solaris Los Cabos, a haven for families seeking adventure and relaxation. The Royal Solaris balances family fun and tranquility. Kids enjoy endless activities, while parents find moments of serenity. The resort excels in this delicate balance. For young explorers, it's a wonderland of fun. Miniature slides into sparkling pools, supervised kids clubs echo with laughter, and play areas spark imagination. The pristine beach, a canvas of golden sand and seashells, secrets of the ocean whisper here. Adults find blissful serenity. While kids embark on adventures, parents can relax by the pool, the warm Mexican sun kissing their skin. Sipping on a refreshing margarita, or a rejuvenating spa treatment, where expert hands knead away stress. As the sun begins its slow descent, casting long shadows across the resort, a palpable air of anticipation descends upon the Royal Solaris. Daytime activities wind down, and a new kind of magic begins to unfold. The sky blazes with the fiery hues of a Mexican sunset, painting the world in a breathtaking spectacle of color. Evening at the Royal Solaris brings a vibrant tapestry of entertainment, catering to every taste and preference. Perhaps a Broadway-style show where dazzling costumes and energetic performances transport guests to another world. Or maybe a themed dinner where the tantalizing aromas of Mexican cuisine mingle with the sound of live music, creating a feast for the senses. And as the stars begin to twinkle above, casting their ethereal glow upon the resort, families gather, sharing stories and laughter beneath the velvet sky. The day's adventures are recounted, special moments are cherished, and memories are forged that will last a lifetime. The Royal Solaris Los Cabos, a place where families can create unforgettable memories together, where laughter echoes through the halls, and where the spirit of adventure knows no bounds. And now, we venture to another hidden gem on the Yucatan Peninsula, the Paradisus Playa del Carmen La Esmeralda. This resort, true to its name, is a sparkling jewel in the crown of family-friendly destinations. Here, families are not just welcomed, they are celebrated. The resort's design philosophy centers around creating a seamless and joyful experience for families of all shapes and sizes. Every detail, from the spacious family suites to the dedicated kids clubs, speaks to their commitment to providing an unforgettable family vacation. The heart of La Esmeralda beats with laughter and the joyous squeals of children. Parents can truly unwind, knowing their little ones are in excellent hands, free to roam and explore in a safe and stimulating environment. The resort boasts a sprawling water park, an aquatic wonderland that promises hours of endless fun for children and the young at heart. Twisting slides, splash zones, and a lazy river meander through lush greenery, offering a refreshing escape from the Mexican sun. But La Esmeralda goes above and beyond with its exclusive family concierge service, a dedicated team committed to crafting personalized experiences for each family. Need a customized itinerary for exploring Mayan ruins with your teenagers? They've got you covered. Craving a romantic dinner on the beach while your little ones enjoy a movie night under the stars? Consider it done. This level of personalized attention elevates the all-inclusive experience, ensuring that every family member, from the youngest toddler to the grandparents, feels pampered and cared for. At La Esmeralda, it's not just about providing a vacation, it's about crafting cherished memories that will last a lifetime. And finally, El Cozumeleño Beach Resort, Cozumel. Our journey takes us off the mainland and to the island of Cozumel, a haven for divers and those seeking solace in the embrace of the Caribbean Sea. Here, nestled on a pristine stretch of white sand, lies the El Cozumeleño Beach Resort. Unlike the bustling resorts of Cancun, El Cozumeleño offers a more intimate and tranquil escape. The pace of life slows down, dictated by the rhythm of the ocean and the gentle sway of palm trees. But don't mistake tranquility for boredom. The island of Cozumel is a treasure trove of natural wonders, and El Cozumeleño serves as the perfect launchpad for underwater exploration. Just steps from the resort lies the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the second-largest coral reef system in the world. Dive into a kaleidoscope of colors, swimming alongside graceful rays, curious sea turtles, and a dazzling array of tropical fish. Back on land, adventure awaits. Explore ancient Mayan ruins shrouded in jungle. Rent a jeep to discover hidden cenotes, or simply relax on the beach, caressed by the gentle Caribbean breeze. El Cozumeleño Beach Resort offers more than just an escape. It offers a chance to reconnect with nature, to immerse oneself in the vibrant culture of Cozumel, and to create memories that shimmer like the turquoise waters that surround it. From the family-friendly shores of Cancun to the tranquil paradise of Cozumel, we've explored 8 hidden gems, each offering a unique take on the all-inclusive experience. These are not your typical tourist traps, but rather carefully curated escapes designed to provide authentic and enriching experiences. Have these hidden oases ignited your wanderlust? Share your own all-inclusive adventures in the comments below, or let us know which resort has stolen your heart. And if you're hungry for more hidden travel gems, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll uncover secret escapes in the heart of Europe. Remember, luxury travel doesn't have to break the bank. Click the link in the description to unlock exclusive deals and experience these incredible resorts for yourself. Your next unforgettable adventure awaits.